Okay, so I repurposed this bench in the bathroom, and I think it'll be perfect for guests if they want to sit down, if they want to put their things down, because I don't have the counter space here. So just enough room for this. What I'll probably do is put some little baskets under here, maybe a few with some extra towels and things in there. I found these bath salts at Marshall's, $6.99. I have a jar somewhere around here with a little spoon in it that I'm going to put here. These are some shower bombs that I found at World Market. I may add, I don't know, I may just leave the bench like that, just simple. What do you guys think? That. So here, I just added some basic things for my guests. That's a men's body wash there. I found this body scrub. I just like the bottles. That's some body oil. And then nobody really uses the bar soap, but I just thought it added a nice touch. Here it's a Sand and Fog, which is a really popular body wash brand. This bottle is $6 at Marshall's. And this is another shower oil, cleansing oil. Smells really good. This one is one of my favorites that I use that quite often. So I just put that in here. But I don't know what I'm going to put there. So what I added here was these toothbrushes, because my guests always like, do you have an extra toothbrush? And I always have them, but I thought this was really cute. Boutique collection. These were from Amazon. I got a big bag for like, I don't know, maybe $10. Here's the rest of them. It's a lot of them in here. So I thought that was a really good deal. This would be my extra storage space down here with my cleaning supplies for the bathroom. And I did add a hand cream next to the towels. And then I had the soap there. But it's my little spa. And then this little stool here I thought was really cute. So what do you guys think about the bench? Again, I'm going to add a little jar there. I'm thinking about adding some greenery here. I don't know. But I am going to get some eucalyptus to hang over here to add some greenery for that spa feel. I think I can get that from Trader Joe's or Publix. But let me know what you think.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.